Hey guys, it's Dr. Heath Lampee again with Teeth in 24. Today I want to talk about the biggest mistake people can make when choosing a full mouth dental implant center. I have been doing dentistry now for 20 years. I've been in the same practice for 19 years, if you can believe it. I started when I was 25. And so the biggest mistake people make when making a full mouth implant center, what I find is that a lot of people are choosing an implant center just based on price. They're trying to find the cheapest option out there to get teeth back in their mouth. And now, as we go along in life, we know that if we just choose something on price, oftentimes you don't always get a good service, you don't get a good product, you don't get a good warranty, you don't get a good company backing you. And so these are the lessons that we learn in life. When it comes down to it, you need to know, how long has that implant center been around? Have they been around a few months and they're just trying to do really low prices to get patients in the door and they don't have any experience? Or have they been around a long time? They have a great reputation in the community, and that's who you're looking for. You also want to know who's doing your surgery. A lot of times you're going to go to these implant centers, you're going to be given some hardcore sales tactics by a salesperson, and that person isn't the one that's actually going to do your work. Now, this is a very personal relationship. These relationships with your providers, with your implant providers, can often be for a lifetime. This isn't someone you're going to just work with once and just be done. Now, when patients come here, they're going to see me. I am an implant specialist. I have 20 years of experience in the same location. My team has been here a long time too. We are very, very, very great at this. And we don't have hardcore sales tactics because patients come here when they want it done right, they do their research, and they know that they want me to get their work done. So know who is doing your work. Is it someone who has only done this once or twice, maybe on a model, or maybe only once or twice in real life? There's a big difference from the person who's done this only a few times to the person who's done this 1,000 times. And what we do here at Teeth in 24, we make this very complex dentistry, we make it seem easy. We make it seem fun. It's efficient, it's predictable. People have amazing experiences. And so, but I hear a lot of nightmare stories of people going to these places that haven't been around a long time, and they get jerked around, they have bad services, they have bad outcomes, and that's when they come see me and they're like, I wish I would have seen you first. So make sure you know who's doing your surgery, how long they've been around. Don't just base it just on price. And then the biggest thing that I'm finding is there needs to be trust. This is a close, tight relationship between the patient and the doctor and the team. And for most of my patients, they've had a lot of bad prior dental experiences. They've had those experiences since they were a kid. They've put a lot of time and money into their mouth, and things haven't worked out, or they've been screwed over a little bit. And so there comes a point where when they come in, they're like, I can trust you. And patients need to go with that gut feeling, because it is my job at this point in my career to unravel those bad prior experiences, to let my patients know it's gonna be all right, you can trust again. If we're gonna do this, we're gonna do this once, we're gonna do it right, we're not gonna waste your time, we're not gonna waste your money. And then also, know that we're going to be around a long time. I'm not going anywhere, guys. I've been here 20 years. I've got at least another 20 in me. I love what I do. I'm passionate about what I do. It's not something that we've only done a few times. We've done this thousands of times. And it's our passion to create a perfect product for our full mouth implants, our Teeth in 24, but also it's our passion to help you have a great experience, to get rid of those past bad experiences, to be able to finally smile, to give you better health, and for you to know that we are here for you. We customize everything, we listen to our patients. We want to give you the most amazing natural smile that when people see you, they're like, wow, you just have a nice smile. And then people aren't worried about what's in their mouth anymore. So what we give you is so beautiful, so natural, that you're going to love it. You're going to feel confident. You're going to have all that confidence back. You're going to have your health back. You're going to be courageous again. You're going to go for that next job promotion. You are not afraid to go out to dinner with your friends. And so know when you pick your implant center, know who you're going with. Don't make any mistakes. Trust your gut, trust that intuition, do your research, and just know that there's a lot of people out there that haven't done this very much. And so you need to go to someone who is the best. You want to do this once, you want to do this right. Thank you so much.